What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Metal Reacts with your host Scott. Today we've got another song that I already know, so this is a review, not a reaction. I'm doing this actually for my buddy Ryan McGill again. He gave me a request earlier. It was Dillinger Escape Plan, and I'm hitting him back with a song for an album that I want him to check out because I think he would dig it. And it's not like, when you tell people to listen to music, a lot of times they do it half heartedly. They don't really care. It takes somebody who's a real music nerd to actually follow through and listen to the stuff that people tell them about. And, I just think that I told Ryan, I said, this would be maybe is something that you would like. And he's like, okay, man, I was on the phone with him the other day, and he was like, okay, man, I'll listen to it. And I told him, I said, you know what? I'll just do a video for it. I'll do a video for it so you'll get to see me in my natural element and how much I love it. And then maybe that will encourage you to listen to it, and you'll like it too. So, yeah, today we're doing off of Vanitas. Awesome album. Came out like 12 or 13 years ago. This is extreme metal band Anaal Nathrakh. Awesome band. And two guys in this band. This song is called Forging Towards the Sunset, and it's on their official channel. And yeah, Ryan, listen to this dude and tell me if you don't like this. If you don't like this, I want to know why. Like, why don't you like it? Because I think this is awesome. So let's just go ahead and get into it. We got another short song this video. All the songs have been short today, so great job, YouTube. Well, I should give myself a pat on the back for that, for picking short songs, because I don't really want to be in the front of the camera a lot today. Yeah, this is Anaal Nathrakh, Forging Towards the Sunset. Let's go. Is it loud enough? If you were ever looking for a chorus, a catchy chorus in an extreme metal song, there it is, man. There it is. This video has Anaal. Okay, this will give you an idea of how jaded music listeners can be. So, Anaal Nathrakh has about 90,000 listeners on Spotify. Their YouTube channel has 5,000 subscribers, so not that many more than I have. But this song, Forging Towards the Sunset, has almost 700,000 views. So people are listening to the song on YouTube and they're not joining the channel, including me. They're just like, oh, that's cool, add it to the playlist, move on, you know. That's how jaded we are as music listeners. So, but I love that band. I support them on Spotify. You know, I wish I could see them live though, but yeah, that chorus does. Somebody said, the Trophy Collective says, yeah, somebody says the Trophy Collective says this chorus kicks so much ass, and it does. It does kick ass, and that's all I got for you, buddy. I hope you were able to headbang to that. That's one of my favorite extreme metal records that I listen to, especially during the winter months, when I've got, you know, sort of that seasonal affective thing going on, and I'm looking for some darker stuff to listen to. Vanitas by Anaal Nathrakh has the heaviness, it has the brutality, it has the unhinged vocals, but the music is catchy, and it's also got like a brightness to it and an energy that I just love. So yeah, that's what I dig about that. But Ryan, let me know what you thought, man. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I got for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video below. Turn on your post notifications. And for Metal Reacts and Scott signing off. I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.